For years, we've been told to avoid eating after a certain hour if we want to lose weight, especially after 7 p.m. The logic? We're less active at night, so food supposedly turns straight into fat. But here's the truth. Your body doesn't just stop working when you sleep. It's busy repairing, building muscle and balancing hormones, all of which need energy. The real issue isn't when you eat, but what you eat before bed. Going to bed hungry can actually disrupt your sleep, which is crucial for a healthy metabolism. Poor sleep increases stress hormones, making fat loss harder. Instead of fearing late-night eating, see it as a chance to fuel your body for overnight recovery. The right snack can support muscle repair, stabilize blood sugar, and even help you burn fat while you rest. This isn't about indulging in junk food. It's about making smart choices that work with your body's natural rhythms. Forget the clock. Focus on quality nutrition. Let's discover which foods can actually help you burn fat while you sleep. So, what's the best food to eat before bed? Surprisingly, it's cottage cheese. This humble dairy product is packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein. Casein releases amino acids gradually, fueling your body all night long. This helps prevent muscle breakdown and keeps your metabolism active while you sleep. Cottage cheese is low in carbs and fat, making it ideal for a light, nutrient-dense snack. It keeps you full, supports muscle repair, and won't overload you with calories. Choosing cottage cheese before bed is a simple, science-backed way to boost overnight fat burning. It's a smart, strategic snack for anyone serious about health and weight loss. Let's dig into why casein protein is so effective at night. When you sleep, your body repairs and rebuilds muscle, needing a steady supply of amino acids. Without them, your body may break down muscle for fuel, a process you want to avoid. Casein from cottage cheese provides a slow, steady release of these building blocks. This preserves muscle, boosts metabolism, and helps you burn more calories at rest. Plus, cottage cheese contains tryptophan, which helps your brain produce serotonin and melatonin, key for deep, restorative sleep. Better sleep means better appetite control and less overeating the next day. So, cottage cheese before bed is a double win. It fuels your metabolism and improves your sleep. Protect your muscle, burn more fat, and wake up refreshed. That's the power of a smart bedtime snack. This isn't just theory. Science backs it up. A study in the found that women who had casein protein before bed burned more calories at rest the next morning. Their bodies used the protein for muscle repair, not fat storage. Another study from Florida State University tested cottage cheese itself. Men who ate cottage cheese before sleep had better muscle recovery and higher metabolic rates. These findings show your metabolism stays active overnight, especially with the right fuel. The myth that late-night eating automatically leads to fat gain just doesn't hold up. Instead, a protein-rich snack like cottage cheese can actually improve your body composition. The science is clear. A smart pre-sleep snack is a powerful tool for health and fat loss. It's time to rethink your nighttime routine. Want to make your bedtime snack even better? Add cinnamon. Just half a teaspoon sprinkled on cottage cheese can help regulate blood sugar and boost fat burning. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, keeping your blood sugar stable overnight. Stable blood sugar means fewer cravings and better fat loss. Plus, cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation and support overall health. This simple addition turns your cottage cheese into a metabolic powerhouse. It's a delicious, easy upgrade for your nightly routine. Small changes, big results. I used to believe in the no food after 7 p.m. rule. I'd go to bed hungry, thinking it was healthy, but often woke up tired and unsatisfied. Research on casein protein challenged my thinking, so I tried cottage cheese before bed. The results were immediate. I slept better, felt fuller, and woke up energized. After a few weeks, I noticed I was leaner and my workouts improved. I didn't eat more calories overall, I just timed them smarter. This simple habit turned my nights into a time for recovery, not deprivation. The science and my own experience made me a believer. Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference. Now, I never skip my strategic bedtime snack. It's time to ditch outdated rules about late-night eating. Your body doesn't care about the clock. It cares about what you feed it. A protein-rich snack like cottage cheese supports muscle repair, metabolism, and better sleep. Add cinnamon for extra benefits, and even a few berries for fiber and antioxidants. Here's how to do it. About 30-60 minutes before bed, have 100 and 150 grams of cottage cheese with half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Try it for a couple of weeks and notice the difference in your sleep, energy, and body. Don't just take my word for it. Experiment and see for yourself. This isn't a license to eat junk at night, but a call to make smart, purposeful choices. Reclaim your evenings and turn sleep into a powerful tool for health and fat loss. A simple change, a profound impact. Let go of the guilt. Embrace the science. Your best self might just start with a bowl of cottage cheese before bed.